Good morning. We are here in Mount Kalipusot in Sitio Bayoko in the barangay of Turda in the municipality of Coron in the province of Palawan in the country of Philippines. We are the youths of St. Joseph Frenadimets Parish, Turda, and we are here to engage in our monthly tree planting activity. And here with me is John Paul, who is one of the youth coordinators in the parish. Alongside him is Ivy, who is also one of our coordinators. And here we have Prissy, who is also one of our youth coordinators in the parish. And at the far end there, we have Irish McCoy, who is the youth president of the parish. And here are the youths of St. Joseph's Frenadimets Parish, Turda. So we are here, as I mentioned, to carry out our tree planting activity, which happens monthly. And we are here in Mount Kalipusot, a side view of the barangay of Turda, where our parish is located, where some of these activities are being carried out. And I am Father John Paul Bangsi, parish priest of St. Joseph Frenadimets Parish, Turda, a Mill Hill missionary from Cameroon. So, in the encyclical of Pope Francis, Laudato Si, he highlights a lot about conserving nature. And we know our planet is dying. Our planet is being depleted. And if we look at this hill in which we are going to carry out tree planting, we'll see a handful of trees. Some of them have actually been planted. And the project in this hill started way back in 2007 by a group of men in our parish called the Knights of Columbus. And now they are registered under an association called the Environmental Management Association of the Knights of Columbus of St. Joseph Frenadimets Parish, Turda. So this youth activity is actually an extension of their program here in the parish. So we plant trees. And why do we plant trees? Because trees are life. Trees are like the elder brothers to humanity. Because if we go back to the creation story, in the book of Genesis, we realize God created nature first and man came second. So trees are like our elder brothers, and we also think this is our own little contribution to bring life back to nature, to recapture the species that are disappearing every day because of human destruction of our Mother Earth. The earth is our home, nature is our home, we gain a lot from it. And here in the barangay of Turda, our activities may look small, but we also think this is our own little contribution to the climate, to the global climate change that is happening now in our world. Because I believe if somebody burns a bush in Africa, it impacts everyone in the world. It impacts people in Australia, it impacts people in Asia, in America. So the world has become a global village. And what is not going on well in other countries, it affects others in other countries also. And as missionaries here, we are all about bringing life to people, showing the face of God. And God has also revealed himself to man in nature. The nature is crying for regeneration. The nature is crying because man has destroyed it because of urbanization. The biodiversity is slowly disappearing. And so we are here just to give in our own little contribution, to contribute to the cry of the earth, to give back its greenery, so that in future, the future generations will know that we also acted in our own little way to make sure that we regain the biodiversity, we replant the ecosystem that are gradually disappearing. Apart from this project that we have here in the hill, the youths, they are also engaged once in a month in cleaning the coast because we have a lot of houses at the shoreline of our parish, which is an island. Sometimes there are lots of dirt littered all over, papers. So once in a while, the youths also go collecting all these papers and just gathering the garbage, and we empty it in the garbage area, sidelined to us by the barangay officials. So we are going to engage straight away into our tree planting program this morning, and some of the youths will actually be videoed planting maybe a coconut. This morning we are having coconut plants, and some few weeks ago in the month of July we also had a tree planting exercise here that was done by the whole parish, represented by the catechists and some of the youths, and we planted trees like the cashew tree. We also planted mangroves, and today we are to plant some coconut plants, and they are also going to act in future as food for man, and they are also going to purify the oxygen in our parish. So we are going to engage straight away into our tree planting exercise right away. Thank you very much.